this is first gear. Pretty amazing how this bike just tracks. Anywhere you want it to go, you just basically point and shoot. Having a great day up here. Riding by myself today. That's okay. I get off on Wednesdays and Thursdays, and a lot of the times nobody can ride on Wednesdays and Thursdays. Everybody works the work-a-day world. But as you can see, this trail is absolutely... This is a really old trail. This is actually one of the old military Jeep access roads. I'm thinking right about 1941, right after the war, because, or maybe right prior to that, because they expected a land invasion and they didn't know how the Japanese were going to hit us. And I guess you know as well as I do. They found out. This place really looks like the moon, man. Check it out. Mars, maybe, yeah. There's an easier way to go around, but once in a while I like to go this way. Yeah, one time, oh, I ate it big. I'll show you where. It's crazy, man. I went down in a gulch. I hit my head so hard, it knocked the GoPro out and deleted the photo. It was right here. I went right inside this hole. Last time I turned out, I was trying to act up. Some wheelies and stuff. I don't like these kind of hand guards without the hands, because your hands get smashed anyway. But okay, I'll take a check it out. Sometimes it looks like this, and then it turns into a dead end, boy, let me tell you. Doesn't look too bad. You know why we got these albizzias in here? When they fall down on the trail. Around them. Oh, this one is not bad at all. Do some exploring. George would say. Wow, looks like some guys did some trail maintenance on this one. Well, I'll check you guys out later.